Good morning, YouTube. Saturday morning here. Season 8, 1 day old. Doing some chores around the house and was doing a clutch time. Well, I wasn't. There was a clutch time game going on. Yeah. Ruby prize ball. We can see if that's got a Hoff badge. Spin the wheel. The most... I don't like this wheel. The physics on it don't seem... Well, it's better than nothing. Better than 200 MT. Or 1 token. Or 100 MT. Jeez, or 1 token. This is what we're doing. This is why I needed to make this video. There is a market crash right now. So we're doing some squad builder on stream last night. And this is where we're at on that. Picked up Luca, Tim Thomas. We also picked up Bull for pretty cheap. But this is a placeholder spot for D-Rob. We got to get D-Rob. Got Yao for 100K. Maybe he's cheaper by now. But if you're building your squad, now is a perfect time to do it. People are selling. People are selling. If it's not invincible or if it's not endgame, people are selling. Let's see. And the Spurs squad. This is why another reason we're looking for D-Rob. Shout out. I should have shut my window. But hey, fresh air is great. Auction outcomes. This is what we've been doing. Only 14 up, so that means some things have been selling. But we have some things on auction. And we have some other things. But that's why our MT is so low right now. 161. Because we've been buying. We've been squad building. Bidding 500 on all these prize balls. So we'll make some MT if we don't bust them. One of Jeff Green got outbid. But this is the saw. This is the money. Alright, so of course we have Looney, Mikan, Evo'd these players-ish. Evo'd reposted. So we're going to cash out. I want to see where we're at by the end of this video. Mikan, Zeke, he's another Nuggets Evo player. Bought him for 3K. Ish, bought him for 3K. Jeff Green, bought it for 3K. Mitchell, probably 5K. Another Evo player. Some shoes. Alright, Nuggets Evo player. DeAndre Jordan sometimes sells for crazy amounts. And this is just, this pick and post. This was a silver unpluckable. Might as well get rid of it. Probably a gold mismatch expert. Kevin Looney. Diamond prize ball. Yeah, they sell for way cheaper, but just reposting. Jeff Green. Where are we at? Okay, we're over 300K now. Looney, we still have 50 auctions. We're gonna run into some ones that are unsold. I know it. Looney. And reposting. Look at all this, because this is all at least double. Funny story about this shoe. I'll tell you what that is. This shoe right here is a +2 boosted shoe. Same shoe, +2 boosted. Shout out Big Heck Money. B1S on Twitter. Follow that guy. You'll get smarter. The dude's made me a lot of MT. He's smart. Smart dude. These were just bare shoes. These Embiid ones. Curry's. Remember, everybody got a level 1 Curry. So, what are we? Mismatch expert. This was a bronze. Sell that. DeAndre Jordan. See, 20K. What? Kevin Looney, 17. Get into some Currys here. All right, these are just bare colorways that I had sitting in my collection. These two right here. +2 boosted shoe. Nobody knows about this. I think only Heck and me, and now these people right here. +2 boosted shoe. It's the same shoe. +2. Jeff Green. All right, that was probably a hollow or something. Mismatch expert, Larry Johnson. Okay, now we're to the unsold ones. This is the this is the grind part. This is the grind part where you got to resend to the auctions over and over again. Guess what that LeBron was? It was a +2. See? Look at there it is right there, +2. If you can zoom in, that's one right there. This KD did not sell. We repost. Back to auctions. Repost. And I know sometimes it's time consuming, sometimes it's monotonous, and we just sold a Curry shoe for, and this is bare colorways, man, I should have done something else. No, that was +2 boosted. I have the picture of that. Man, I should have went for more. Come to think of it. Try to keep your auctions as full as you can. That's the thing. We're not done redeeming yet. Sheesh. All right, so here we go. Let's see where we're at. Just the shoes. Just the shoes. We're going up, up. And this is after squad building, I mind you. We spent a lot of MT last night on stream. Like a lot of MT. Sheesh. 600K. We're back to 600. So that's good. Wow. Did we really cash in almost 500K there? 161, 640. The proof's in the pudding. It's about reposting, and then this is the monotonous part. So if you're still here, this is what I do. I go like over to Jeff Green. I don't even check his price anymore, wherever I stop at, and then I'll go to a different guy. And then I'm not fine tuning it much, but right around 10K. Right around 10K. And then, but for some reason, DeAndre again. And again, I've posted these cards a lot. Trust me, a lot. So we're just going to go like this. Oh, and see, this is a hollow. So we've got to apply the hollow tax. 17 or so. Reggie. And then again, some of these won't sell. They might not sell, but they might sell. I'm in no hurry. You just saw we cashed out so much. And if we cash this out, that's a lot of MT. And it's just being persistent, being persistent. And I'm keeping my other cards because I still want to Evo them. Yep, you never know. See, all these cards are yet to Evo. Oh, let's go over to this shoe right here. Okay, this is a cheap shoe. This was given out in Unlimited maybe 2 seasons ago. Buy it for $250. That's it. Buy it for $250, and we're gonna post. Let's post this one for 87. Regular shoe, regular boosted shoe. We're reposting, so we're still gonna stick to around 16K. Another shoe, we're gonna repost here, right around 16, 17-ish. There you go, right about there. Whatever feels right. +4. These shoes used to go for so much. Oh, what a bummer. What a bummer. We'll go around 20, 29. And then the unpluckable silver. We just sold one for 7, so we'll do another one. Because I figure once they're in the auction cycle, I'm reposting. Never give up. Never surrender. So mismatch expert. We'll go 12. See what happens. And that's what it is. So look for the Evo cards. You saw us sell a bunch of them. Me. And that's in the NBA playoffs. These cards right here. Some of them are unauctionable, but look for the ones that are only 20 points. All these Ruby cards, all you have to do is just score 20 points and it evos to a dark matter. But dark matter, the price has tanked. The price has tanked. All right? So, holy cow. I'm going to buy this one. Less than 2,000 for a dark matter. Think about, do I do it? I guess I have to. I've been bidding 3K on all these. So even if I sell these for 5K, we make MT. And think about the positions you need for your AFK squad. You need a small forward. All right, him and Jeff Green are the small forwards. All right, you got DeAndre Jordan, Kevin Looney, and what's his name? Mitchell Robinson from the Knicks for center, power forward, and also Zeke. All right, the Looney and the Mitchell are a little tougher, but and then you have Reggie Jackson and Ish for your point guards. So that's kind of my AFK squad right now. I ran out of cards because I hadn't recycled them yet, so I hadn't been looking. But this is the kind of the AFK squad I'm going right now. Played an entire game, 200 points. Not one of these guys got an Evo last game. So remember that when you're picking out your cards. The 20-point games, the player lock, the shooting guard. That's it. It's money. So yeah, 630. That's crazy. Oh, we got a pack last. What pack did we get? We got the sharpshooter. This was the ruby. Maybe. But what if we get a Hoff badge? Imagine on video. Okay, we didn't. But that would have been something, right? And this. Let's say this Luca was from the agendas. We did that last night and the challenges. Let's open this because it's end game. There's no shakes. I didn't see the glitch. So no free card from challenge. Odd cards though. New Year's resolution. Cards we have. We're just gonna send it all to the auctions. We'll sort it out. Oh, we don't. Send player. No. Okay. Well, we're going to sell it all. I never quick sell, but I'm sorry. My auctions are jammed up. We need to have bigger auctions. That being said, the grind. Build shoes. Look at what we have up. See, we have a +3 shoe here, and we threw up a Curry for a lot there, and then this Curry just bare. But reposting, pick and post. Let's dominate season 8. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I stream on Twitch, do other things. Tweet a lot. Check me out on Twitter. Link in bio. Yeah, follow Big Heck. Smart dude.